It was amazing. It was incredible. A wonderful audience. The room was full of love and support. We honored the great Harrison Ford. It was incredible to witness and be a part of. It's jam-packed with so much action, so much heart, and so much thrill. I think people are going to really be surprised by what they see on screen, but also really, really happy about where the franchise is going and where it ends. Oh, it's just such an epic, wholesome film. It has everything you need, and it is not for the the laptops. It's not for the indoor TV screen. It's a massive experience, and you want to experience it with the whole community of people.